Mexico now about to become the third country in the Western Hemisphere, after Uruguay and Canada, to make marijuana legal for recreational use by adults. It was a change ordered by the country's Supreme Court and backed by President Andrés Manuel López Obrador and former President Vicente Fox. Recreational marijuana use will become law when Mexico's Senate approves the legalization bill, as expected before the end of April.
Mexico is on the verge of becoming the largest legal cannabis market in the world. It's much bigger than Canada by virtue of its larger population. It's much bigger than Uruguay.
In the U.S., 36 states allow marijuana for medical use, and 16 states and the District of Columbia have approved recreational marijuana, including most recently New York, but the drug remains illegal at the federal level. In Mexico, cartels dominate the illegal trade in marijuana, and the country's war on drugs has led to more than 150,000 deaths and 80,000 persons missing. Legalization of marijuana will help end the violence, say supporters of the measure, as the cartels shift to other activities.
Trafficking of migrants, counterfeiting of money, currency.
And other drugs, he says. The cartels might still traffic marijuana if they can offer a lower price than legal producers. Advocates say marijuana has medical uses, but it's not without risk.
About potentially 9% or so of the users, regular users of it, may develop a cannabis use disorder. And that is not insignificant.
And even though Mexico's legalization may potentially be a good thing, say some analysts, the country's legal framework needs reform to prevent abuse.
There's a lack of control, a complete lack of control in the consumption of alcohol and cigarettes among minors, 12, 11, 10-year-olds in Mexico City, in Guadalajara, in Chihuahua. So that is happening with legal drugs.
Despite the challenges, Mexico is about to join a growing global market. Marijuana legalization can bring the government needed cash and help poor farmers, says another analyst.
And close the gap between income in the South versus already prosperous income in the North.
The United States, where marijuana remains illegal on a federal level, will soon be wedged between two large legal marijuana markets. These experts ask, how will Washington respond? Mike O'Sullivan, VOA News, Los Angeles.